Everybody, I just wanted to jump in real quick. I got my design team kit in and I wanted to share with you what was in it. So here we are. I have the box. It just came today and we're going to go ahead and just pull everything on out here. And I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this kit because I love fall. It's probably one of my favorites, even though I haven't done a whole lot of fall cards this year, but I just love everything about it. We have the TCW Antique Gold. I'll try to zoom in a little bit closer here. That's embossing paste. We have some 49 and Market flowers. With a hint of blue in them, which I think goes really well with the paper collection. We have the embroidery hoop, which is going to be fun. I've been wanting to alter one of these. We have two sheets here of gold vellum, which would work really pretty underneath, and then like using some of the gold embossing, like on a stencil, that would be really pretty. Then we have the 12 by 12 dots and stripes, and I love these fall colors. You get one of each of the sheets. They would just make really nice accents for your cards, for your scrapbook pages, stuff like that. We have the ephemera pack. Now this ephemera pack, I don't know if it says how many pieces. Yeah, 30 pieces of cardstock die cuts. And they're so cute. Like the one says, all pumpkins welcome, autumn, my favorite time, pumpkin season. I just really love these. These are really cute. That one said Thanksgiving, autumn. Um, what is that one? I've never met a pumpkin I don't like. They're just cute. Cute little sayings that would work really well on cards or even your layouts. On a card, I think these are great for those kind of cards just to say hi to someone. Just let them know you're thinking about them. It doesn't have to be for any particular, occasion. And then you have the three, let's say there are three different frames where you get like the Hello Autumn. There's one frame with the Gather here with Grateful Hearts. And then another frame has the tag and the word fall on it. Super cute. So instead of pulling out the 12 by 12, I'm going to go through the 6 by 6. And it looks like for each of these designs, you get 3 sheets. So you get a couple here with the cut aparts. And then, so you could use one cut apart and then use the other two for cards and stuff. You have the pattern. I really love how they do that. The stripes. This one is pumpkins and foxes. You got the polka dots with, I want to say, leaves on the back side. More foxes with the trees. Aren't these so cute? Super cute. And the background is really pretty as well. And then like the dark solid piece, and on the back, it's wood pieces. So that would work for like a masculine card. And a lot of the same designs are in the 12 by 12. And with this collection, you also get the sticker sheet. So you get cut aparts in here as well. I just figured, look at that fox. It's so cute. It's just such a cute collection. It really is. And I love the oranges with that pop of blue. And I just think the flowers will go really well. And of course, you can't go wrong with gold embossing paste. You can use that with the different stencils. So here's the kit. I can't wait to get playing. One of the videos obviously will be altering this embroidery hoop, and then I may do obviously a series of sketches using the 6 by 6 paper pad. And here we have a close-up of the different collection pieces with the vellum, the flowers, the 6 by 6 paper collection, the 12 by 12. This is going to be a fun kit. And what I love about the kits is, obviously you can use it on one project, but it can continue on. The embossing paste you can use, forever. The vellum, it works for fall, but it can also, if you, hoard it, it could work for Christmas. So I just thank you guys for joining me. Keep an eye out for videos to come. I'm going to have links to previous videos here. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping in. Bye.